I am Dhureen Kulati, currently studying in GD Moinga Global School, Noida, and today I will be presenting my experiment on Oobleck. To understand Oobleck, we need to first understand fluids and the type of fluids. So fluids are of two types, Newtonian and non-Newtonian. A Newtonian fluid is a fluid whose viscosity remains constant no matter the amount of shear applied at a constant temperature. These fluids draw a linear relationship between viscosity and shear stress. Now, this relationship is also known as Newton's law of viscosity and has been stated here otherwise. Coming on to non-Newtonian fluids, they are the complete opposite of Newtonian fluids. When shear is applied, the viscosity of the non-Newtonian fluids may decrease or increase depending on the type of fluids. The behavior of the fluids can be described in two ways here. Preparation of Oobleck is rather simple. We can prepare it with everyday items we can find at home. For this, we'll require approximately half a cup of water and 1 cup of corn flour, cornstarch. The procedure is rather simple too. In half a cup of water, we need to slowly add the 1 cup of corn flour that we have set aside simultaneously while mixing the mixture. Working out all the lumps in the mixture is a prime concern right now. If the mixture seems too watery towards the end, feel free to add a bit more cornstarch to the mixing bowl and make sure to rest the mixing bowl for 30 to 45 minutes in a refrigerator. To demonstrate this, I have also prepared a video and I will be sharing the video over here. Hi guys, today we are gonna make Oobleck. So to make this, we'll require approximately half a cup of water and around 1 part or 1 cup of corn flour or cornstarch. So to make Oobleck, we're gonna take our cornstarch and slowly add it in the water while we consistently keep mixing it.
A few minutes later.
Mixing everything together, and after resting my Oobleck for at least 30 to 45 minutes in the fridge, I have finally made this. As you can see, this is actually a fluid liquid right now because it is flowing in the bowl. But if I use force, then I can't. So even if I pick it up, it becomes hard like clay, and it can even tear. But as soon as I let it go, it slips through my hands like any other normal liquid would. There are actually pretty good applications of Oobleck. Right now, some of these applications are in their infancy and might not be used as widely, but in the future, they will for surely be used. Oobleck can be used in sporting goods, body armor, phone cases, as speed breakers, or even as packaging material. Oobleck and speed breakers. We know speed breakers play a major role in controlling the speed of vehicles in India and abroad and helps in preventing accidents. The Oobleck is stored as a packing material in Kevlar fibers, which retain the properties of inner material forever and is having a low thermal conductivity and chemical reactivity. The result indicates that the usage of Oobleck in speed breakers is sensitive to the speed of vehicles, and the cost of manufacturing Oobleck speed breakers is much lower than the conventional speed breakers. Conventional speed breakers also have some drawbacks. They are naturally an eternal structure on the roadway and it's difficult to remove conventional speed breakers if the road needs to go under repairs. Oobleck can also be used as packing material. The small particles in cornstarch repel each other slightly, which makes the fluid float normally. But when sudden force or shear is applied, the small repulsing force is overcome and the particles stick together like ones in solid, making the fluid hard. As the force dissipates, the particles repel each other again and the fluid becomes a normal floating liquid again. In some cases of the non-Newtonian fluid called shear thickening, the viscosity increases up to the point that the fluid behaves like a solid when high shear rate is applied. The energy in the fluid gets dissipated, trying to break into the inner part of the fluid. In a packaging application, this property might be interesting as the fluid dissipates high impact on the ground being protected. Here are the sources of all my inspiration. Thank you.